Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can easily remove a background in photos or videos on the ShotCut apps. So here I've already on the ShotCut apps. What you need to do is click on create and select the videos or photos that you want to edit. Okay, I'm going to just find the one from the stock. Okay, let's say I'm going to add this video. Click on next, and I want to remove the background from, in this case, the green screen video. So what you need to do is click on the clip on the timeline and swipe through the menu at the bottom until you find cut out. Click on cut out and click on the remove background. Click on that and wait for ShotCut apps to remove the background of the video. So this can also be done if you are adding a photo. So just okay, now the background has been removed, and just like that. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.